I hope I never get to play an interview with Robert Pruett, because I really don't think he did it. I don't think his lawyer thinks he did it. And I think he's got the qualified lawyer that can help him through the woods if the court will stop messing with his lawyer, and that's David Dow. You get to know both the lawyers and the inmates. I mean, that's the nature of this job. If he does survive, I'm going to sit down and talk to him about turning into radio and television those two interviews.
You know, David's been suspended with the Court of Criminal Appeals for a year.
I know he's been suspended with Court of Criminal Appeals, but he can wire around that.
I hope so.
And David's a good lawyer. And he got suspended because he pointed out the weaknesses of the court, and that happens to be politics.
Well, it's more than that, Ray. Years ago, Kathy Cochran had written a big law review article about the state ought to have states' rights, and he just nailed her on a law review article out of the Yale Law Review and out of the University of Houston Law Review. She hated his guts because he made a fool out of her, and she pretty well poisoned the rest of the court against David. So it goes back.
Yep, it goes back, and that's the nature of being a lawyer. It's the nature of being a judge. You get drunk on that gown. But I don't want to do another Execution Watch show. I'm with Dave Atwood. I hope they don't find any more drugs, and I hope Texas legislature won't pass a law that lets them shoot people, and I hope the Supreme Court will look at all of this and say it's cruel, and it's getting more and more unusual every day, and that will be the end of it. My name is Ray Hill. I want to thank the lawyers, Jim Skelton, Mike Gillespie, Larry Douglas, Susan Ashley.